Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making something truly special, a slow-cooked beef and onion dish that's packed with flavor, tender to the bite, and incredibly satisfying. This dish is perfect for weekends, family dinners, or any time you're craving a rich and hearty meal without a lot of fuss. Start by heating a pan over medium heat and add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Let it get nice and hot, then add a quarter kilo or half a pound of julienne diced onions. Sauté them gently until they turn tender and slightly golden. Time to add in the beef cubes. Mix them well with the onions, then season with 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dry coriander, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Stir it all together and cook until the beef is fully browned. Once the beef is browned, pour in 1 cup of water and 2 bay leaves. Cover the pan, lower the heat to low, and let it simmer for about 2.5 hours, checking in every half hour and adding water as needed. This slow process is what makes the beef incredibly tender. Now, for the finishing touch, add another quarter kilo of onions. Cover again and cook until they're soft and sweet, and your beef is perfectly tender. And that's it. A rich savory dish where the onions melt into the beef, creating the most delicious flavor. Serve it warm and enjoy every bite. Thanks for cooking with me here on Heaven's Kitchen. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more comforting homemade meals. See you in the next one.